Hi there wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com and today I'm bringing you a review of a BelleTress wig called Lady Latte and the color is Coffee Without Cream. This is a very pretty off black color. Now I know it looks kind of shiny here on camera, but that's because I got a lot of lights shining on it. You can probably see the reflection of the lights all around me. So bear that in mind. In real life, this is actually a very low shine fabric because it's a heat-friendly synthetic, and heat-friendly synthetic wigs tend to be just really low shine. I would say it looks like really healthy hair though, and it's really soft and silky. This is a very nice feeling fiber. Lady Latte is really sleek and slick. It's a very classic bob. So before I do anything else, I'd like to do a 360 for you so I can show you what she looks like on all sides. Alright, so the front on this one is quite long. It's going to be around 12 inches. These sides are 10 to 10.5 inches. The nape is about 3.5. So from the top down, it's about 9.5 inches. But this is longer in the front than anywhere else. See how it kind of cups the jaw? These two ends actually touch. So it's very pretty, graduated, classic bob. This particular wig does have a lace front, so we'll zoom in on that. Has really nice knots there. Now let's take a look at this monotop. I'm just going to part it in a really unattractive place. I'd say that's pretty dense. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Lady Latte off so I can show you the cap construction. Lady Latte only weighs 4.7 ounces. She has a lace front that's completely hand-tied and a hand-tied monofilament top. She's open wefted on the sides and back with plenty of wefts all over here. Very nice spacing on those too. She does not have an extended nape, but she does have some felt back here. And it's adjustable a bit like a bra strap in the back. Very stretchy on the sides with closed felt ear tabs. And there you go. That is Lady Latte, which is a really lovely heat-friendly synthetic bob from the BelleTress line in the color Coffee Without Cream. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig review, and I hope you have a really great evening. Bye-bye.